Hi guys. FIFA World Cup is the most expensive tournament of the world. Do you know how much money will distribute in teams? Super 16 teams will receive $13 million and quarter-final qualifying teams will receive $17 million and then start Super 4. The fourth position holder team will receive $25 million. Third position team will receive $27 million. Runner-up team will receive $30 million. And the winner of FIFA World Cup 2022 will receive $42 million. Let's see who will the champion of 2022. Thanks for watching. Don't forget for subscribe.